We all spend time, effort, and money, especially if you're running paid ads, getting people to our landing pages. And this highly valuable traffic gives you the chance to convert those visitors into leads and customers. But if your messaging isn't clear or your value doesn't land in the first few seconds, sadly, those visitors leave without subscribing. And that means that everyone becomes a missed opportunity. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use our free AI-powered landing page conversion audit. It's a quick, easy tool that gives you instant clarity on what's confusing visitors, what conversion elements are missing, and the simple fixes that help your landing page turn more of that traffic into leads. So here I am on my landing page, and the first thing we need to do is we need to copy all of the content on the page so that we can feed that into the AI-powered auditor. Now I'm using the Chrome browser, but regardless of the browser you're using, this process should be very similar. So first of all, you're going to go up to the browser menu, click on Edit and click Select All. Now that selects everything on the landing page, and now you need to copy. So again, you click on Edit and Copy, and that copies everything into the temporary memory of the computer so that you can now paste that into a document. So open a simple text document like I have here and paste your copy here onto the page. So the next step is we need to access the AI-powered auditor. Below this video, you'll find clear instructions on how to do that. Follow those instructions and then copy the AI-powered prompt into a text document like you did your landing page copy. So here's my version of the prompt. If we quickly scroll through, you can see that it's incredibly detailed. We've taken all of our knowledge and experience of helping entrepreneurs, small business owners, creators over the years, hundreds and thousands of them in landing page optimization. We've taken all of that experience and knowledge and we've put that here into this prompt. So it does all of the heavy lifting for you, and you only need to enter 2 sections into this prompt in order for it to work for your landing page. So let me show you how to do that. So first of all, here at the top, we need to describe our ideal visitor in 1 to 2 sentences. So what you need to do is add here details about your ideal customer avatar. Who are you targeting? Some details around them so that the AI-powered auditor has an idea of that target audience so it can best evaluate your landing page. Now I've got mine pre-written here, so I'm just going to copy that and then I'm going to paste that into this section here between the brackets. We're going to delete all of that and I'm going to paste it in. So added in there quite a clear description of who I'm targeting. Now all we need to do is just jump back, grab our page copy. So we'll select all of this. We're going to copy that. And then we're going to scroll down here and you'll see at the bottom, there's a section here that says start and end. And in the middle, it says paste your full landing page copy here. So we just select all of that, delete it and paste. So the next thing we need to do is to copy this full AI-powered prompt and paste that into our AI tool of choice. So we're going to select the full prompt, including the description that we added and our page copy. And then you're going to jump over to the AI tool that you use. I'm using ChatGPT, but you can use any of the AI-powered tools and they will give you the same high quality output. So we're going to paste in our full prompt there, click enter to run that prompt, and it's now going to take all the information, all of that page copy, and it's going to provide a highly detailed report. Now imagine having to go through and do a report of this detail yourself. You need a lot of experience, knowledge, and a lot of data. And then you'd also possibly even likely consider to employ someone to do a report of your landing page or your funnel. So you're avoiding all of that time and all of that expense using this AI-powered prompt that we've created. And as you can see, it generates a highly powerful report. So take time to look over the detail that's here in your report. There is an incredible amount of value. I want to draw your attention to a few key sections of the audit. Number 10 is missing conversion elements. So this will highlight any of the core conversion elements that may be missing from the page. So take those considerations on board. It may mean that you need to tweak maybe the layout or add some additional elements to the page. Number 11 is quick wins. This will provide up to 10 quick fixes that you can make to the landing page to test to see if it will help to increase the conversions. Now, I recommend that you take one or two of the recommendations and implement them and then test. So you want this process of incremental implementation over time. So take a few things, test them, assess the results, test again, assess the results, and follow that pattern. You will find that you won't always increase conversions necessarily in the first test, and you may want to change to a separate test. So keep iterating over time. And then finally, you get a priority action plan. So the first recommendation here is to improve the clarity around the main outcome and transformation the visitors will get when they have access to our lead magnet. So if we jump back here to our landing page, we've got a section here where we are focusing in on the pain points that a visitor may currently be experiencing. And our report is recommending that we might want to tweak those to focus more on the positive outcomes of the lead magnet delivery. So what we're going to do is, if we copy this here, paste that into the AI, and then we'll also just grab a prompt here. We're going to ask it to rewrite this section. So there's our copy. I'm just going to ask it to, can you rewrite this headline, subheadline, and bullets to focus more on what outcome visitors will get when they access the blueprint? Keep the copy to a similar word count. So that way I can just copy and paste that copy in, and then we'll let that run. That's going to run. And then it's going to write that new copy for us. So in a moment, we can add that to the page. So we've got our new copy there written. Now, the second thing in our report, if we scroll back up here, the second thing in our report is to strengthen the credibility around the sort of social proof. So maybe adding in a testimonial. So if we jump back to the page now in our editor here, so in the OptimizePress builder, what we'll do is we will scroll down. I think we want to add a sort of testimonial section here just before the final call to action. So we'll go to our sections library and we'll filter by testimonials. These are pre-built sections. And then we can simply just drop one of those into the page here. And then now we've got our testimonial. We just need to add the testimonial in and update our copy. So let me just pause this video for 2 seconds and I'll add the copy, and I'll also add a testimonial in as well. So back here in the OptimizePress page builder, we've very quickly just updated our copy here with the new copy that AI wrote. And then if we scroll down there, we've added in our testimonial as well. And that was a simple drag and drop using the pre-built sections in the Optimize builder. So we now have an updated page, and I recommend now that what we would go and do is test this. Now, the best way to do that would be to jump inside of our Optimize funnels funnel builder. So if we've got our lead funnel here ready to go, all we would simply need to do is click on edit and then come here to split test, and we can start a split test. So we can add in our template that we've just updated, so we can have the 2 pages there running alongside. And then what that means is that Optimize Funnels will split the traffic and it will test the current version against the new version, so we can see if those changes had a positive impact. Now, there will be times when there won't be a positive impact. This is all a learning experience. So then you could come back and make some more changes and just keep iterating on the audit. You can even run the audit again. Once you've updated the page and you've run it and you've been testing, you can run further audits, and you can obviously run this on any of your landing pages. So that's how to use the AI-powered landing page audit. As you can see, it's quick and it's simple to use, and it gives you instant clarity on what's confusing visitors and where you can strengthen your landing page messaging to make sure that you convert more visitors into leads and buyers. So now it's over to you to give it a try. If you found this helpful, I recommend you keep the prompt handy for every new landing page that you create. Now, you'll find the instructions and the link to the AI-powered audit prompt just below this video. Now, if you're watching this on YouTube, please feel free to leave a comment with your audit results or any questions. I'd love to hear what you discover. And if you want more content like this, you can also like the video and subscribe. Either way, thanks for watching, and I hope the audit helps you to improve your landing page conversions.